this will be my second vlog in my YouTube channel. So this in this video I'm going to explain all the accessories which I brought it for this DJI Osmo camera, which you can see on the screen. Can you see this camera, right? Yeah. In this video I'm showing you all the accessories I brought it for this camera. So this all the accessories I brought it from different platforms. So I brought it 2 things from the Amazon and 1 thing from the Alibaba Express. I think this product is not still available in this Amazon product. That is the adapter I am talking about, which I already told you about this in the last vlog actually. The adapter which gives a good quality of my audio as input to it actually. This camera is majorly having one defect in it, that is audio already said you. So I don't want to do the late. So let's get into the unboxing. Actually I am bringing you 3 products which I brought it for this camera as an accessories. So one is going to be an adapter, Lenovo Osmo Action Camera 3.5 USB adapter. I will unbox it here. Let me show you the second product which I brought it from there. This is the DJI Osmo camera holder actually, which will fit over here top of the camera. I will show you later. So the starting is the mic, which I brought it from the Amazon. This is also the one of the accessories I brought it for this camera to use it, give my voice over to this video. So I will unbox one of them so you can look at DJI Osmo camera. First I put this camera aside. I will let you show after how to fix it to that. So this will be the adapter which I am talking about, audio adapter. Let's unbox it. So you can see this, the first thing you will get out of the box is this kind of box inside into it. So you can see clearly this is DJI Osmo camera. This is how the adapter is going to fit in the camera. This adapter actually is connected to the type C of the camera, which is actually will use for data transfer or charging purpose. So this door here, right, you can clearly see that. So the top round circle is going to be the port for mic, and downwards this is going to be the charging port. Let's take it over. So this is the adapter. This is how it looks. So here is going to be the mic connection, and this is going to be the charging port. So this will be the adapter going to the camera, and this is the holder I am talking about. No. So this I will fit it to the camera. You can see that. So this will go to the top of the camera over here. See, like this it goes here. Click, slide it there. Let's put this one aside. And so this is the 3 pin, and this is 3.5 mm jack. So this goes and sit on this toe, as this is TRS, RS and TRR. This goes in the adapter here. If you connect this pin directly to this adapter, it's not even giving the good quality actually. To get the good quality and perfect, you have to transmit the audio from the mic through TRS to TRR, and from that to the action camera. Actually this only works on Android phones and everything. So to get the good quality, here this is going to help 3 pin, that is TRS, and going through adapter and getting the good quality over the one you are recording from it. So this is how it looks now. If you are doing the vlog by next time, this is how you are getting. So these are the 3 accessories I have brought it for my DJ action camera. So from the next vlog I will be doing all the vlogs through this action camera, so you can hear me properly, and you can also check this audio how I am speaking, so that you can analyze and get this vlogging setup. Actually this is going to be the medium range. Actually this cost you around this camera 23,000, and this is adapter is going to cost you around 1800, and this mic is going to cost you around 700. So calculate it and get it. So this is my accessories which I given the detailed expression, I think so. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.